In this video, we're going to be checking out the MBRP catback duals for the new 2020 6.2 Chevy Silverado. Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got a 2020 Chevy Silverado on the hoist. This is the new 6.2. I've got a really cool offering from MBRP I want to show you. But first, like always, we're going to check out the factory setup. So this thing is huge. It's super heavy. It's got big front pipe. It's got a set of valves up here. It's got a big heavy suitcase muffler. Another set of valves back here. And then your typical dual exhaust going into even more resonators back here. Now I know you Chevy guys like some sound. Let's get underneath here, see what MBRP has to offer. All right, so as I always mention, MBRP is a compliant company. So you've got your factory cats in place. We're gonna leave the Y pipe in place and we're gonna pick it up right here at this ball flange. And from here, MBRP is gonna rip all the way back to the high flow muffler with 3-inch tubing, band clamps, factory hanger rubber locations being utilized. I mentioned fully welded. This is high flow, single in, dual out. And again, all the rubber locations are being used. We got band clamps and of course we've got some big tails exiting out to the back. Speaking of exiting, GM really knocked it out of the park with these. Everyone seems to like them. I think they're clean and cool. We simply dump into the factory bezels. Now, speaking of cool, this thing sounds so cool. It's all ready to go. Let's get it on the ground. We're gonna take this one for a rip. All right, let's get the 6.2 out on the highway and give her a listen. I'm gonna start off by saying the AFM, or the active fuel management, is in full play here. We have not disabled it. So this is a bone stock 2020 6.2. Now the exhaust note, this is mellow. Yeah, you know what? You can have a conversation in here all day long. You know what? Not going to impede, you know, your family, your friends, colleagues, what have you. And yet what I like about it is the deep exhaust note. It's probably the deepest exhaust note that we currently offer on MBRP. So cool that way. Now, I don't know if you can hear the AFM right now it comes and goes as I modulate the throttle, but I know it's there and I can actually feel it as you do even in stock form, but it's not super, you know, embellishing, or it's not super strong that it's just gonna, you know, be crazy to live with by any means. Keep in mind you can tune it out for those that want to put a tuner on it. Now, we've talked about how cool it sounds, how mellow it is, but you know what, as a Chevy fan, I know you guys like to hear it and play with your Chevy, so let's hear it at wide open throttle. Yeah man, this thing pulls like a big V8 and it definitely sounds like a big V8. You know what, you've seen the install, easy install, uses the stock bezels in your rear bumper. You know what, sounds great, looks great, performance you're gonna hear and feel. Go check out part number 5065 and you're gonna look that up at MBRP.com.